Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable product reviews in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, I'm going to show you how to disable reviews globally, right, for all products. So to do that you will need at first to go to the WooCommerce on the left hand menu, WooCommerce option, and then just go ahead and click on the settings on the pop-up menu just like so, and after that go and select the products section that's located on the top of the page. It's right here next to general, so just click it and then you will need to scroll to the reviews section just right here. Okay, so as you can see here, you can enable or disable the reviews just by check or uncheck that or these squares. Okay, so as you can see, you can enable the product reviews, show verified owner labeled on customer reviews. Reviews can only be left by verified owners. So all you need to do is to go and check the first one, the first square or the first option. So we all need to uncheck enable product reviews and boom. So that's way you disable the product reviews in WooCommerce. Okay, so once you finish, you will need just go and click on save changes, and this removes the review tab from all products and disables the review system completely. There is another option that can allow you to disable the reviews per product. So you'll need just to go with products right here and then just go with all products. Okay, and after that you will need to go and click on edit on any product that you want, and then just scroll to the products data right here, and after that go with advanced on the left hand menu and check enable reviews. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.